dito sa mga hinahangaan kong coach dito sa Live Good. Okay? Before po siya napunta sa Live Good, isa rin po siyang registered nurse. Okay? And isa din po siyang real estate broker by profession. Okay, former employee din ito siya, kagaya ko, di ba? And OFW and businessman. Okay, ang dami talaga, napapansin niyo po, ang dami talaga mga businessman na nandito, especially mga traditional business owner na nandito kay Live Good. Bakit kaya? So malalaman natin yan mamaya. Okay, so let's all welcome by typing clap emoji to our speaker, no? Typing clap emoji to our chat box. Okay, so please help me welcome our speaker tonight. Walang iba kundi si Coach Mon Reyes. All right, Coach Mon, are you ready?
Hello,
Ayan.
good evening everybody, and thank you very much for that very beautiful introduction. At magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Tonight we're going to have another business presentation of Live Good at isang karangalan po para sa akin na ako ang maghatid nito sa inyo. Before anything else, sound check muna tayo. Naririnig ba ako ng maayos? Alright, thank you very much. Okay, so sa mga guest po ngayon, I want you to listen carefully dito sa presentation na to because the reason na nandito kayo is because this message is for you. Okay? Tanggalin po muna natin yung alam ko na yan attitude kasi yung maririnig nyo po ngayon talagang kakaiba. I'm telling you, kakaiba po yung maririnig nyo ngayon. This is far too different as compared to other companies, and I'm telling you, so far po, personally, para sa sarili ko, hindi dahil nasa Live Good ako, pero ito na po, I'm just being honest with you, ito na po ang pinakamagandang company na nakita ko so far. I've been through so many industries, tulad ng sinabi ni Coach Dre, kung ano-ano na napaggagawa ko, naging empleyado ako, naging OFW, naging business person, real estate broker pa. So marami na po ako napagdaanan, marami na po akong na-experience, pero based on all those that I have experienced, Live Good is by far the best way na talagang to have residual income para makamit natin yung ating mga pangarap. So hindi ko na po patatagalin. Iumpisahan ko na yung ating presentation para at alam ko excited na kayo marinig kung ano nga ba itong sinasabi kong kakaibang presentation. Ayan, bungad na bungad pa lang. Are you ready to experience the difference? Because Live Good is really different as compared to other companies. And I'm going to tell you throughout my presentation kung bakit. Simulan na natin. Unang-unang slide ko pa lang po. Become a Live Good affiliate marketer and you can earn up to $2,047 or 110,000 pesos monthly. Even with no selling, even with no recruiting. Wala pong ibang company na kayang sabihin yan. Kung meron man po na magsabi sa inyo yan, takbuhan nyo po kasi hindi nila kayang gawin yan. Live Good lang po nakagawa niyan because of the business model that we have adopted. And bakit natin ginagawa to? Kasi alam naman natin, nakaramihan ng tao ganito Hindi ako marunong magbenta, hindi ako marunong mag-recruit, pero gusto namin kumita. Relate? Di ba po? Ang dami natin kilalang ganyan. In fact, sarili ko, ganyan ako before. Gusto ko kumita, kaso hindi ako marunong magbenta, hindi ako marunong mag-recruit. Ano na gagawin ko? Di ba parang problema? Well, may good news ako kasi pwede ka sa Live Good. Paano? Panoorin niyo po hanggang dulo ng presentation kasi yan talaga yung i-discuss ko. So what is Live Good? Live Good is a membership club company with an affiliate program. So yung membership club po, yan yung ating business model na inadapt, and the affiliate program, dyan po tayo papasok yung ating kitaan. Okay? Very clear po yan. So to tell you more about membership club, Live Good is similar to this. Ayan po, siguro familiar kayo dito sa mga companies na to. SNR Landers, yan. Mga membership club companies po yan. Kung nasa US, Canada, or Western countries ka, mas familiar ka dito sa Costco. Di ba? Ang dami po niyan. Wala lang dito sa Philippines pa pero isang magandang company rin po yan. Now, if you're more on online, mas familiar ka sa Amazon Prime. Kasi si Amazon Prime naman, online yan. And of course, andyan po si LiveGood, yung ating company. Lahat po yung companies na yan are membership club companies. Meaning, they have members who pay membership fees. Maliit lang, pero the reason why they are willing to do that and they are willing to join these companies as member is because meron silang benefits na and values na natatanggap from this company. Ito lang po yung big difference. Yung SNR, Landers, Costco, Amazon Prime, lahat po yan, their membership club, na tinatanggap lang yung bayad ng mga members. Si LiveGood po, ang kakaibahan niya dito sa ibang companies na to, LiveGood is the only membership club that pays its member. Yes, binabayaran po tayo ni LiveGood. At yan po mamaya i-discuss ko kung paano. By the way, ano ang value na matatanggap mo? Pare-pareho po yung mga companies na yan. Ang value na ino-offer nila, big savings. And yes, included po si LiveGood because LiveGood is also offering big savings. Kung i-compare mo si LiveGood dito sa mga companies na to, pinakamalapit na po si Amazon Prime. Because Amazon Prime and LiveGood are both completely online. Kasi itong tatlong SNR, Landers, and Costco, may mga physical stores yan eh. Pero si Amazon, completely online, walang physical store. LiveGood, the same. Completely online, walang physical store. Pero ang value na ino-offer ng lahat, savings. Tandaan niyo po yan. Ngayon kung mapapansin niyo, maliit lang naman yung mga membership fee na kino-collect nila, di ba, sa mga members nila. Baka iniisip niyo, paano ba kumita yung mga yan? Malaki ba talaga kumita yung mga yan? So just to give you an idea, makikita natin dito kung gaano kalaki ang membership club industry. Unang-una si Costco. Costco has 136 million members. And last year alone, nag-income po si Costco ng $4.8 billion from membership fee alone. Yes, yung maliliit na membership fee na binabayaran ng mga members, kaso since ang dami nilang members, membership fee pa lang po, wala pa silang products na binebenta, wala pa silang serbisyong binigay, kumita na sila ng $4.8 billion. Ito naman si Amazon, yung sinabi kong online, 200 million members, $44.3 billion also from membership fee alone. Ganyan po kalaki yung industriya natin. Ito ang maganda. Ang target po ni LiveGood to be the next Amazon. And this is what I believe. We will surpass Amazon. Yan 200 million members na yan, malalagpasan po ni LiveGood yan. Bakit? Because LiveGood is the membership club that pays. Subukan nyong i-alok si Amazon sa mga kaibigan nyo. Pag nag-member sila, palagay nyo makakatanggap kayo kay Amazon? Hindi po. Pero kay LiveGood, ikwento nyo lang ang LiveGood sa kaibigan nyo. Pag sila nag-member under your name, then definitely you would receive something. Mamaya i-discuss ko yan. So these are the people behind LiveGood. Andyan po yung ating Director of Product Development, si Dr. Ryan Goodkin. And of course, our CEO, Ben Glinsky, Director of Product Education, Lisa Goodkin, and Director of Field Development, Noder Kazan. Lahat po yung mga yan, they are leaders of their own field. And you know what they say, true leaders create true success. At ang maganda po niyan, lahat sila passionate para lahat tayo ng mga affiliate members ng LiveGood ay mag-succeed. Makikilala niyo po yung mga yan pag nag-join kayo sa LiveGood kasi talagang very hands-on sila sa ating business. Weekly, meron silang kinoconduct na Zoom. They are conducting trainings themselves. Alright? So just a little background about LiveGood. Excuse me. So LiveGood was launched in December of 2022 and we are available in over 200 countries worldwide. Ang maganda po niyan, kahit nasan kayo sa buong mundo or yung mga kaibigan nyo, kahit wala, hindi nyo kasama, nasa ibang bansa, pwede pa rin po tayong nating gawin ang LiveGood. US-based company tayo, kaya well-trusted. We're located in Jupiter, Florida, USA. And we have over 40 products, 40 life-changing products. And more products are coming. Ito pinapangako natin. Lahat ng products natin, high quality. Highest quality nga kung i-describe ko yan eh. GMP approved, USDA certified organics, third-party certificate of analysis. Ibig sabihin po, dokumentado ang ating kalidad. Hindi tulad ng ibang companies or ibang brand, tinatago nila yan para hindi malaman na talagang kulang-kulang yung kanilang binibigay sa kanilang mga consumer. Dito po, if you're a member, if you're a consumer of Live Good, you would know exactly kung anong klase yung pumapasok sa katawan nyo. And for that reason, pati yung inadapt nating business model na membership club, ang dami pong nagtiwala sa Live Good. In fact, in as short as 2.5 years, we are close to 2 million members. Yes, we're over 1.9 million members na po as we speak. Ganyan po kalaki si Live Good. At ganyan kabilis mag-grow ang Live Good. Okay, we have a simple mission in Live Good. To help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune doing it. Kasi po, nagalit na yung ating CEO. Yung mga health products ng ibang companies, ang mamahal. Tuloy yung mga tao, yung mga ordinaryong tao, hindi nila kayang magpaka-healthy. Ganyan naman po parate, di ba? Iniisang tabi natin yung health kasi nga mahal. Well, this time, because of Live Good, because of the membership club model that we have adopted, kaya na po nating magpaka-healthy. Kasi yung mga high-quality products na pinagsasabi ko kanina, mabibili po natin ng napakababang halaga if you're a member of Live Good. So we're starting with certified high-quality USDA certified organic factory priced and natural products. Ayan po. Madalas po hindi na pagsasama-sama yung high quality, organic, natural at yung ang factory price sa isang sentence. Kasi yun yung unang iniisip ng tao eh. Pag organic, natural, tsaka high quality, mahal. Pero dito po sa Live Good, mababa po nating mabibili ang mga high quality products na yan. At hindi lang po yan. We're starting with 40, yet new products are launching average of 1 to 2 months. Every 1 to 2 months, nagkakaroon po tayo ng bagong product. And we will have over 200 products in the near future. Kasi ang plano po natin maging super sales shop online. Right now, we're starting with health and wellness. Pero ang dami na rin po nating nadagdag dyan. Meron na tayong essential oil. Meron na tayong prescription medication for weight loss. Meron na rin tayong skincare. And soon, magkakaroon tayo ng household products. Magkakaroon tayo ng pet care line. Kasi alam naman natin yung mga fur babies, parang family na talaga yan eh. Diba? Now, padagdag lang po ng padagdag yan. In fact, every 1 or 2 months, nagkakaroon po tayo ng bagong products. And we will be offering, lalabas na po tayo sa healthcare industry, papasok na tayo sa household, papasok na tayo sa ibang industriya, and we will be offering different products. Ito lang po pinapangako natin. Talagang high quality, low price. Yun po yung tagline natin dito sa Live Good. Now, siguro gusto nyo nang maging member. Interesado na kayo maging member kasi nakita nyo yung value eh. Imagine, mag-Live Good ka lang, bumili ka ng mga products, magiging healthy ka na, makakasave ka pa. So, paano ba maging member ni Live Good? Tulad ng ibang companies, meron din po tayong membership fee. Ang membership fee po ni Live Good, monthly, $9.95 or 600 pesos. Round off na natin sa 600 pesos. Or kung kukumpitin mo, parang 20 pesos a day lang yan, di ba? Makatipid ka lang ng isang corneto isang araw. Meron ka ng 600 in 1 month. Now, kung gusto mo mas lalong makatipid, bayaran mo yung isang taon. $99 and 95 cents or roughly mga 6,000 pesos. Nakatipid ka ng 1,200 pesos kasi yung 12 months, 600 times 12 months, that's 7,200 eh. Pero pag binayaran mo ng 1 year, 6,000 lang babayaran mo. So, mas nakatipid ka. Now, why would you be willing to pay this membership? By the way, yung membership po, yung members ni Live Good, you could be a member of Live Good and enjoy these benefits. The reason why you would want to be a member of Live Good is because of this. Unang-una, big savings. Kasi, we are up to 90% lower price compared to other brands. Mamaya po ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ang maganda nito, lower price na tayo pero yung quality natin hindi po sinacrifice. In fact, mas lalo pa natin pinaganda yung quality ng mga best-selling brands or best-selling products. Ito pa maganda, kung mag-i-enjoy kayo sa savings, mas mag-i-enjoy kayo doon sa pangalawang benefit. Because as a Live Good member, you can get free products. Yes, yung mga highest quality products po, chosen highest quality products, pwede nyo pong makuha for free. At ang mga libre po, yun talagang essential, yung mga kailangan ng katawan nating lahat. Alright? So, ito po, just to show you na hindi ako nanloloko pag sinabi kong mababa ang presyo ng ating mga produkto. So, the benefit of Live Good Club member, up to 90% lower price compared to other brands. Unang-una, itong ating Super Greens. Napakaganda po ng quality niyan. It's good for our gut health, meaning digestion. Pinapaganda yung digestion natin. Napakaganda rin yan ng pang detox. Also, pang boost ng energy, pampaganda ng immune system natin. Bakit po? Kasi different botanicals pinagsama-sama sa isang produkto. Yung ibang company po, kung titignan nyo, no, yung ibang company, isang product lang or isang ingredient lang ang laman niyan. Ayan, meron silang spirulina. Spirulina is being sold spirulina lang. Pero spirulina is just one of our ingredients. And tignan niyo yung amount. Talagang hindi tinipid. Kung ano kailangan ng katawan natin, meron. Ano pa? Barley. Barley grass, napakasikat ngayon kasi napakabisa naman talaga. Again, part of our ingredients lang yan. And check out the quantity, yung amount na nilagay nating barley sa ating super greens. Enough for a day consumption of everybody. Ano pa? Ayan, matcha green tea. Meron, naririnig niyo yan. Moringa, malamang naririnig niyo po yan. Broccoli, napaka-healthy po pala niyan. Also, aloe vera. Meron po kaming kaibigan, wala nang binida, kundi aloe vera, aloe vera, aloe vera. Napakahusay daw. Eh yung binibili niya, aloe vera lang ang laman. Ito po, pinakita namin, isa lang yung aloe vera, oh. Tsaka tignan mo yung amount. Kung ano kailangan mo, meron sa Super Greens. Kaya ayun, tinry niya yung Super Greens. And I'm hoping na yun na ang gamitin niya parate. Meron din tayong organic turmeric. Ganyan po yan po, iilan lang yan sa dami ng mga ingredients na kasama ng Super Greens. Kaya napaka-effective po niyan. Complete nutrition from head to toe. Kailangan po ng lahat ng tao yan. Ito po, other brands, Skinny Greens. It's not even organic. Yung Super Greens natin, USDA certified organic yan. Pero yung Super Greens, $99.95. Organifi Green Juice, pag chinek nyo po yung ingredients niyan, parang mas konti as compared do sa Super Reds natin. Pero $69.99 siya. Yung sa atin, $18 lang. So, mababa o mababa? Mababa. Parang bababa ka ba? Yun. Mababa talaga yung price natin as compared to other brands. So, talagang pag nag-shift ka ng brand to Live Good, become a member, gamitin mo Live Good products, definitely makakasave ka. Ito pa, Super Reds. Super Reds naman po, napakaganda sa puso tsaka sa ating cardiovascular system, meaning yung ating blood flow. Pag maganda yung blood flow natin, nadi-deliver yung oxygen pati yung nutrients to every part of our body. Kaya talagang pinapaganda yung circulation mo, pinapalakas yung puso mo, at ginagawang functional lahat ng parte ng katawan mo, kahit yung dating tulog na ginigising po. Ayan po. Tignan nyo, meron tayong beetroot, meron din tayong barley sa ating Super Reds, meron tayong hawthorn berries, meron tayong grapeseed extract, goji berry, reishi mushroom, acai berry, and yun, those ingredients are really good for the heart at pinagsama-sama natin sa ating Super Reds. Kaya kung medyo may hypertension ka na, medyo parati kang nahahapo, parati kang humihingal, nahihirapan ka ng huminga, take Super Reds and I'm telling you, luluwag yung mga ugat mo, gaganda ang daloy ng dugo mo, lalakas ang puso mo, at talagang, did you know, talagang nakakatulong yan even to sexual health. At of course, yung brain health natin talagang gaganda rin. Okay, other brands, Super Beets, alam nyo po ba si Super Beets, beetroot lang ang laman. Organifi Red Juice, again, pag kinumpare mo sa Super Reds, konti lang po ang laman yan. Pero amount nila, $69.99, $39.95. Sa atin, $18 lang po. USDA Organic Certified. Certified Organic. Factor 4, napakagandang anti-inflammatory product po. Bakit? Kasi 4 na ingredients that can stand alone, pinagsama-sama sa isa. meron tayo diyang fish oil, meron tayong turmeric, meron tayong CoQ10, and merong garlic extract. Imagine, yung apat na pong yan, kung sa ibang companies, bibili nyo ng hiwa-hiwalay yan. Pero sa Live Good po, bibili nyo isang produkto lang. And it's complete with enough amount that your body needs. Kaya ito pong ating factor 4, hindi lang siya anti-inflammatory, it can actually even reverse inflammation. So kung meron na kayong arthritis at talagang arthritis na lang kayo parati, may namamagana sa inyong katawan, may mga bukol-bukol na kayo nararamdaman, mag-factor 4 po kayo at definitely mawawala yan. Alright? That's the continuous use lang po. Ito, other brands. Itong Simogen, CoQ10 lang yan, pero 58.42. Ito namang Omega Plus Max, $56. That's only fish oil. Sa atin, apat na, $18.50. So, agree siguro kayo, mataas ang quality, low price ng Live Good. What about magnesium? Magnesium kailangan din po ng lahat ng tao kasi it is responsible to over 300 chemical reactions happening in our body. So, kung may problema kayo na hindi nyo alam kung ano kung saan nanggaling, most likely you just lack magnesium. So nakakapagpatibay ng buto yan, nakakapagpa-healthy ng puso, nakakapagpasarap ng tulog po niyan. At ang maganda niyan, yung ginamit nating magnesium, yun yung talagang na-absorb ng katawan natin. Kaya napakaganda po ng ating magnesium. Other brands, $35, $30, sa atin, $8.95. What about D3K2? Si D3K2 po, kung natatandaan nyo, back in 2020, ang dami pong nagkasakit. Ang rekomendasyon ng doktor, magpa-araw. Kasi halos lahat po tayo talagang deficient na pagdating sa vitamin D. And our vitamin D has over 200 microunits na talagang kailangan ng katawan natin. At ang maganda niyan, sinamahan pa natin ng K2. Si K2 naman po, pinoprocess yung calcium. Tinatanggal yung calcium sa mga blood streams natin at nilalagay sa buto natin. So, nadadagdagan na yung ating D3, lumalakas pa yung ating puso, lumalakas pa yung ating mga buto-buto. Alright? Kaya kailangan po ng lahat ng tao yan, hindi lang po ng mga matatanda na medyo nahirapan na maglakad, pati po ng mga bata. We all need D3K2. Other brands, $21.40, $34.45, sa atin, $8.50. And of course, we cannot live without vitamins. So vitamins, we have one for men and one for women kasi magkaiba naman po ang pangangailangan ng lalaki at babae. Now, it has over 24 nutrients in a single product. Kaya complete nutrition po din yan from head to toe. Other brands, $29, $46.80, sa atin, $9.95. Now, kung medyo mahilig kayo sa kape, please, wag na po kayong mag-commercially available na coffee kasi napakadumi po niyan. Kasi yung mga coffee plant, mahirap po tumubo yan kasi nakaka-attract yan ng mga pests. Kaya ang ginagawa ng mga farmers, talagang binababaran niya ng insecticide, pesticides, herbicides. Kaya tayo, pag duminom tayo ng commercially available na coffee, para natin pinapatay na rin yung sarili natin sa dami ng chemical na pinapasok natin sa katawan. Itong Live Good Organic Coffee, organic po yan, meaning walang chemical na ginamit dyan para i-grow yan, and it comes with 6 mushrooms na talagang will make you healthy and will help you with your weight management. Other brands, rice, yes, organic yan, $35. Yung isa, 4 Sigmatic, $40.50. Pero at ito po, personal from a friend of mine, sinabi niya, umiinom siya ng rice. However, ang pinaka na-experience niya, nangangasin yung sikmura niya. Tsaka hindi raw masarap. Nung pinaswitch ko to our Live Good Organic Coffee, nasarapan na, kumalma pa yung kanyang sikmura. Kaya hindi na siya nagbalik sa kahit ano pang kape. Live Good Organic, $17.95 lang. At marami pa po tayong products, but I want you to take particular attention dun sa price. Kasi kung makikita nyo, dalawa yung price natin. Meron tayong retail price, meron tayong members price. Kasi yung mga products natin, hindi lang po exclusively available yan sa mga member. However, if you're a member, ang value na matatanggap mo, being a member, paying your membership fee, is you would be able to get all our products at members price na di hamak na mas bababa as compared to retail price. So bakit ka bibili at retail when you can actually buy products at members price. Kaya po ang dami talagang nagme-member dito sa LiveGod. So for daily essentials, ayan po, we have multivitamins D3, K2, and ultra magnesium. And then ito naman, non-sugary health drinks, protein drinks, energy and muscle. Ayan, kailangan po ng mga nagwe-weights yan. Or even dun sa mga nag-i-age na. Alam niyo po ba, when we reach the age of 40, ang tendency po mag-muscle losing tayo. So to be able to prevent that, kailangan po natin yan. Protein, aminos, and of course, yung energy, endurance, and electrolytes. Meron din tayong for collagen, energy, slimming coffee, as well as superfoods. Napakaganda po niyan. Ayan yung mga pampabata naman natin, especially collagen. Pampatibay ng buto po yan, pampaganda ng hair and nails and skin. Napakaganda po niyan. And nakakatanggal din nga pala ng mga pains. Yung mga kung meron ka ng mga joint pains, ang ganda po niyang collagen na yan. For brain health naman, by the way, ito po, kasi napansin po natin is kadalasan yung mga tumatanda, yung mga people who are coming of age, madalas po nagkakaroon ng dementia or yung Alzheimer's disease. So to be able to prevent that as early as now, pwede po tayo mag-take nitong mga products nito. Methylene Blue is very good, creatine plus HMB. Kala natin pang workout lang yan, pero very good for brain health pa rin pala. And then hydration amplifier, kasi pag maganda po yung gut health natin, gumaganda rin yung ating brain health. Alright? And also, of course, prebiotic gut support. Ayan po. And Shilajit, I consider this as a miracle supplement kasi it has over 100 vitamins and nutrients na kailangan ng katawan natin. Kaya kailangan po natin yan. Hormonal balance for women naman, for those who are suffering on PCOS, yung parating may mood swings every time dadating yung kanilang bisita, kanilang dalaw. Para mabawasan po yan, every woman should take hormonal balance. Even those who are experienced premenopausal naman. Yung mga, mga golden years women naman natin. Napakaganda rin po niyan. Kung merong for women, meron ding for men, vitality. Pampataas naman po ng ating testosterone. So, pampalago rin yan ng buhok. Di ba? Pampaganda rin ng muscles. Yan. Pampatibay din ng muscles at mga buto-buto natin. And of course, tumataas ang ating testosterone. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Alam nyo na. Anyway, for those naman who are conscious sa kanilang weight, ito po, Lean Body Composition Improvement Formula. Ang maganda po sa lean, you would lose weight but you will not lose your nutrition. Kasi hindi po dinidrain lahat ng nutrition nyo. Ang ginagawa lang po, biniburn yung mga fats natin. Kaya napakaganda po niyan for weight management. And of course, I've mentioned factor 4 already. Liver support, kasi very important organ din po yung liver. So we have to take care of that. Yan yung pan-detox ng ating blood. Napakaganda rin po niyan. Bago nga pala yan. Of course, detox, kasi unhealthy na tayo. Even if we breathe, yung humihinga lang tayo, may pinapasok tayong toxin sa katawan. So we have to remove that from our body. Napakaganda po nitong chlorophyll zeolite detox. And of course, for children, meron tayong multivitamins in gummy form. Maganda po niyan, parang kumakain lang sila ng candy, hindi nila alam nagva-vitamins na pala sila. Essential oils, napakaganda po niyan. By the way, these 4 products are available in US only kasi CBD oils, hindi po nila nilabas sa US yan. And of course, CBN sleep gummies. And kung meron tayong pampa-healthy, meron din tayong pampa-beauty. And they are all of highest quality organic products. Meron tayo for deep hydration, nutrient-rich, soothes and protects, ideal for dry, sensitive, and irritated skin. Include eczema as well as psoriasis. So yan po, napakaganda po sa ating skin. And very important po yan, pangalagaan natin yung ating balat. Kasi nalalaman po yung edad natin or nag-show yung pagtanda natin through our skin. So if we take good care of our skin, magmumukha po tayong bata. Alright? Yan. Ano pa? Oh, by the way, we have packages. Packages para mamili ka lang kung ano kailangan mo. Kung daily essential pack, meaning you want to be nourished every day, ayan po, meron tayong daily essential pack. Kung ultimate wellness naman, yung talagang complete nutrition for your whole body, meron tayong ultimate wellness pack. Kung weight management naman, meron tayong ultimate weight management pack. Now, if you're not in US, napakaganda po ng international wellness pack kasi makakatipid kayo sa shipping fee. Discounted na po yan. Imagine 6 products for only $99.95. Shipping fee included. Alright? Meron din tayong maximum energy pack. Kung gusto nyo naman talaga is to increase your energy and increase your immune system. Of course, skincare pack, meron tayo niyan. And other than that, marami pa tayong ibang mga products. Meron tayong t-shirts, hoodies, and whatnot. And as I mentioned kanina, almost every 2 months, nagre-release tayo ng mga bagong product. And ito yung latest na dinagdag natin sa ating portfolio, our liver support and our organic fiber. For those who are also maintaining weight and for those na talagang gustong mag-detox, napakaganda po niyan. Now, nakita nyo na po that our price is much lower as compared to other brands, so magkakaroon ka ng savings when you become a member of Live Good. And at the same time, hindi natin sinacrifice ang quality ng Live Good. So magiging healthy ka na. Nakasave ka na, naging healthy ka pa. Pero meron pa. Kasi sa Live Good po, pwedeng mong makuha yung mga high quality products for free. Ito po, Live Good lang po nag-o-offer nito. Imagine, member ka lang, paying $9.95. You're not even participating in the business, pero kumikita ka na. Ano gagawin mo? Magre-refer ka ng friend. Paano? Ikwento nyo lang po. Ikwento nyo yung savings na na-experience nyo. Ikwento nyo yung improvement ng health nyo because of using Live Good products. So for short, chika-chika lang, kita-kita na. Ano ang kikitain ng member? Free products. Yun po ang kagandahan dito sa Live Good. Member ka lang, hindi ka pa kasali sa business, pero pwede ka nang kumita in form of products by referring other members. Now, for us doing the business, napakaganda rin po niyan. Kasi yung mga members na makukuha natin, sila magiging katulong natin para mapalaki yung ating organization or yung ating community. Alright? Now, yan po yung benefit of being a member of Live Good. Yan yung binabayaran nyo for $9.95. And I'm telling you, it's worth it. 600 pesos, 20 pesos a day. Ang laki ng savings mo. Ang ganda ng health mo. Kaya mo pang kumuha ng free products. Worth it po yung inyong membership fee. Now, if you're a member of Live Good, continue paying your membership fee. Pero pagdating po sa kitaan, kailangan maging part tayo ng affiliate program. Kasi sinabi ko kanina, the affiliate program is the business part of Live Good. Now, if you are a Live Good affiliate member, you can earn up to $2,047 or 110,000 pesos monthly, even without selling, even without recruiting. Now, napakaganda pong pakinggan. Totoo ba? Yes po. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano. But before that, let me show you how to become an affiliate marketer in Live Good. Become an affiliate marketer, instead of just paying the membership fee of $9.95, magdadagdag lang po tayo ng one-time fee na $40. Or kung annual mo naman babayaran, $99.95 plus one-time fee of $40. So a total of $139.95 or 8,400 pesos. O yung isa, $49.95 or 3,000 pesos. When you have that, pag binigay nyo po yan, one time lang po yung $40. So the following month, if you're on monthly, $9.95 na lang babayaran mo. If you're on annual naman, the following year, $99.95 na lang ang babayaran nyo. Pero ang maganda nito, affiliate member na kayo ng Live Good. Global business, meron na kayong global business and you will be an affiliate for life. Alright? Now, you can start earning in Live Good. And in Live Good, you can earn in two ways. Meron tayong fast way, meron tayong slow way. Iisa-isahin ko po yan. Sa fast way, you can earn on your weekly fast start commission. You can earn 50% monthly. You can earn matrix bonuses and you can earn the diamond bonus pool. 4 lang po yung i-discuss ko sa 8 ways to earn of being an affiliate marketer. Paano naman yung slow way? Sa slow way po, pwede kayong kumita sa matrix bonus. Kasi yung slow way is a simple way of doing the business. You can actually magpo-post ka lang sa social media powered by free products member-to-member program or through the Live Good Co-op system or through the auto spillover, which is only available, by the way, in Live Good. Napakaganda po na yan, auto spillover na yan. Tayo lang po meron yan. Tayo nagpasimula niyan. I think other companies are doing that, but they cannot really replicate what we are doing. Anyway, let's start with the slow way. Kasi alam ko, gusto niyo yung fast way. Kasi talagang sino bang may ayaw ng mabagal? Ako nga, bilis-bilis ko magsalita. I'm too fast, right? Pero let's start with the slow way. Kasi si slow way po, dito ko ipapakita kung paano kumita sa Live Good nang hindi nagbebenta, hindi nagre-recruit. Simple lang po. The moment you become an affiliate member of Live Good, meaning pwede ka nang kumita, start telling everybody you know. Everybody you know, your friends, even those people you don't know, tell them that you are already in Live Good and you are already enjoying yung big savings as well as yung free products. Big savings and you are starting to earn in Live Good as well. Ito po maganda. How do you announce to everybody that you are in Live Good? Gamitin niyo po yung social media. Bakit po? Kasi napakasikat po ng social media. In fact, most people stay sa social media kaysa sa sarili nilang time. Yung oras nila nauubos na sa kakascroll sa Facebook. So samantalahin po natin yung paggamit niyan. Gamitin natin yung Facebook, yung TikTok, yung YouTube. Andyan po lahat ng tao, nakikinig, nanonood, nagbabasa. Diyan po tayo mag-post. Ano ipo-post natin? Let's post about Live Good. Bakit? Para pag sila nag-engganyo maging member, magme-member sila doon sa social media mo. So paano ba gumawa ng social media account? Let's start with Facebook. Ito pong nasa kaliwa nyo, this is an official page of Live Good Company. Meaning, yan po yung corporate Facebook page. Andyan po, kitang-kita nyo naman. Etong nasa kanan, yan po yung gaya-gaya. Actually, this is yung Live Good or Affordable Organics. That's actually my page. Page name ko yan. Pero what I'm showing you is pwede nyo pong i-replicate yung ating company page to your page. And at the same time, lahat po ng post ng ating company page, pwede nyong i-post dun sa Facebook page nyo. Just make sure na ilalagay nyo yung inyong link, livegood.com/username. Kasi pag naging affiliate member kayo, magkakaroon kayo ng username dito, magkakaroon tayo ng mga links where our members can actually, or our prospects can actually join us to become members or affiliates. So yun po, tatandaan nyo, lalagay nyo lang yung inyong link na livegood.com/your username. Now, kung medyo magaling kayo sa design, mag-design kayo ng sarili nyong Facebook page. Just make sure that it looks professional. Na mukha siyang company page. Okay? Tapos lahat po ng ipopost nyo dyan, manggagaling lang din dito sa Live Good Company. Dito po sa Live Good, hindi bawal ang mangopya. Hindi tulad sa school dito, pag nahuli ka nangongopya, bagsak ka na, di ba? Dito, pag nakitang nangongopya ka, sabihin ka, very good. Okay, just don't forget, ilalagay nyo yung link nyo. Bakit? Kasi yung mga visitor nyo dyan sa page na yan, pag gusto na nilang mag-member, magkiklik yan dun sa link na nakalagay dyan, which is your link. Pag nag-click yan at tuloy-tuloy silang nag-member, magme-member sila ng hindi mo alam. Ang maganda niyan, yung Facebook na yan, open po yan 24/7. Natutulog tayo dito sa Pilipinas, may bumabasa niyan ng mga taga-US, taga-Western countries. At kung sila, habang natutulog tayo, biglang nag-join dun sa link mo, nagdadagdag ka ng member ng hindi mo alam. Ganyan po ka-powerful ang social media. That's why we encourage people to use social media. Ano pa po? TikTok. Meron din tayong TikTok. Create ka lang ng TikTok account. Again, lahat ng video ng corporate, gamitin mo, ilagay mo dun sa TikTok account mo. Just don't forget to put your link. Livegood.com/ tulad yan, livegood.com/affordable organics. Yun lang po, nilagay ko. Now, every time na may makakapanood niyan, nakita yung link ko, nabasa, uy, simple lang pala, livegood.com/affordable organics. At doon sila nag-member, they become part of my team. Nakukuha po. Simple lang, di ba? Nag-post lang ako sa Livegood, habang natutulog ako, nakakapanood yung mga nasa US, habang natutulog sila, yung mga tao dito sa Pilipinas ang nakakapanood. Pag any of them become become a member or click my link, they become my member as well. Ano pa? YouTube. Sa YouTube po, gamitin nyo yung mga shorts kasi yung mga videos na available dun sa ating Facebook page, mga 1-minute videos yan. Napakaganda po. Pasok na pasok sa YouTube shorts. Ang gawin nyo lang po, yung title, palitan nyo ng shop@livegood.com/ your username. Para yun pa, magkakaroon sila ng recall. Ngayon, ang maganda po niyan, yung video na yan, once uploaded, it would be available 24/7. Tulad na sinabi ko, natutulog ka dito pero may mga nakakapanood sa kung saan-saan. Ngayon, sa dami ng pinost mo sa social media, sa ganda ng exposure mo, by the way, pwede nyo nga po palang i-ads yan, ha? Pwedeng paid ads, pwede namang organic or yung tinatawag na manual ads. Pwede po yan, manual sharing. So long as ma-share nyo lang sa maraming tao. Pero ito po, tanong ko, nagbenta ba kayo? Hindi po. Nag-recruit ba kayo? Hindi rin po. Nag-post lang kayo sa social media, tama? Yes, ito maganda. Pag meron pong nag-click nung link nyo at nag-member through this social media, then lahat po ng mga taong magiging member mo, magiging part ng iyong 2x12 matrix. Now, every person na mapupunta sa 2x12 matrix mo, you will earn 2.5% or $0.25 for every person na mapupunta sa matrix mo at magbabayad ng $9.95 nila. Right? Ang maganda po nito, lahat ng mga ma-attract ng social media mo are those who are interested in the products as well as the savings. Yung products natin consumable eh. Ngayon, every month, bibili sila. Gusto nila yung savings. So, every month, magbabayad sila ng membership fee nila. Tama? Ngayon, every time they pay their $9.95, meron kang 25 cents. And they will be part of your 2x12 matrix. Ito pa maganda. Halimbawa po, sa na-post mo, sa dami ng na-post mo, sa dami ng videos mo, merong nag-join dun sa link mo, 2 tao lang. Pero I'm sure marami kang ma-attract dyan. Pero let's say for example, 2 tao lang yung nag-join dun sa social media posts mo. Ngayon, yung 2 tao yan, magkakaroon din ng sarili nilang website yan eh. Tapos bubulagain sila. Do you want to earn free products? Siyempre, interesado sila dyan kasi gusto nga nila yung savings eh. So, mas gusto nila yung libre. Pag makita nila, magre-refer lang pala ako ng tao, may free products na ako. So, most likely, magre-refer din sila. So, let's say, for example, yung 2 tao nag-refer ng Tagalawa. So, nagkaroon ka ng 4 sa level 2 ng matrix mo. So, meron ka pang $1 kasi 25 cents each ang babayaran, di ba? Ngayon, ganun din yung mangyayari sa 4. Makikita nila may free products pag nag-refer ng friends. So, they would refer friends. And I'm telling you, they would refer more than 2 friends. Pero for this example, 2 lang po. Kada taong pumapasok sa matrix mo, nagre-refer ng 2 tao. Padami lang po ng padami yung tao sa matrix nyo. And time will come, mapupuno po yung 2x12 matrix nyo at aabot ng 8,190 members in your matrix. That's times 25 cents, that's $2,047. That's a total of 110,000 pesos monthly income. Bakit monthly? Sinabi ko na kanina, yung mga members na yan, gugustuhin bumili monthly. At since gusto nila yung members price, they would continuously pay their membership fee. Hindi mo sila kilala, hindi mo na alam kung saan sila nanggaling, pero lumaki ang iyong matrix at umabot ng level 12 and you start earning 110,000 monthly. 110,000 pesos monthly. Di ba ang ganda? Now, that's one way to get member. Another way is through the Live Good Co-op. Si Live Good Co-op, ano naman yan? Kasi po, si Live Good, continuously nag-a-advertise. Gumagastos po yan. Gumagastos po. Nagbabayad yan ng advertisement sa podcast, social media, advertising, Google ads, radio ads, TV ads. At nag-hire pa ng mga influencer para lang i-promote si Live Good. Ang maganda niyan, sa mga ads ni Live Good na yan, nagkakaroon po siya ng maraming customer and members. Now, we as an affiliate member, through the co-op system, we can actually buy from Live Good these members. O di ba ang ganda? Hindi ka nag-recruit. Hindi ka nag-recruit kasi binili mo lang from the co-op system. Ngayon, lahat ng binili mo sa co-op system, mapupunta na naman sa matrix mo as your direct. Okay? So, halimbawa, kumuha ka ng dalawa. Yung dalawa mo, again, nakita, uy, may free products. Eh, di ba kaya sila nag-member, nakita nila may savings, tsaka maganda yung products? Kaya sila nag-member. Eh, nakita nila, may free products. So, mas gusto nila yon. Ano gagawin nila? Paano magkaroon ng free products? Magre-refer. So, magre-refer ngayon yan. Malamang makapag-refer ng more than 2 yan. Pero for the example purpose, 2 na lang po. So, ganun na naman. Yung 2, naging 4, naging 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, and so on until level 12. At pag napuno yung 2x12 matrix nyo, aabot na naman ng 110,000 monthly income nyo. Kasi tuloy-tuloy pong nagbabayad ng kanilang mga membership fee yan. Kasi mga members sila Ano pa? Auto spillover. Ito po, kakaiba na naman to. Unique kay Live Good when we started. Ang auto spillover po, lahat ng production na nasa itaas mo ay posibleng bumagsak sa ilalim ng matrix mo at ikaw ay bibigyan din ng 2.5% ng company sa lahat ng members nila monthly. That is $0.25 or 14 pesos per person. Hindi na galing sa iyo. Galing na yan dun sa trabaho ng taong nasa taas mo. Eh paano kung yung taong nasa taas mo ginagawa yung slow way? Talagang nagpo-promote sa social media, bumibili sa co-op system. At sa dami, hindi lang siya nanatili sa 2. Ang dami niya talagang na-acquire ng mga members. Saan mapupunta yan? Sa ilalim mo. Ang importante lang dito sa auto spillover, you continuously pay your membership fee or your monthly membership fee of $9.95. And again, may malalaglag sa inyo, member lang, tapos yung member makikita may free products. Yung free products, paano makuha? Magre-refer ng tao? Magre-refer na naman po yan. At pag nag-duplicate na naman yan, kada taong napupunta sa matrix mo, kahit hindi galing sa'yo, naggusto ng free products, magre-refer ng tao, mapupuno at mapupuno ang matrix nyo. At darating ang time, aabot ng 110,000 monthly yung matrix income nyo. Napakaganda o napakaganda? Yes, so excited. Month after month income. Very powerful. Super ganda. Yes, it's super ganda talaga. At ang maganda niyan, doon sa pinakita ko, hindi kayo nagbenta, hindi kayo nag-recruit. Nag-post lang kayo sa social media, bumili lang kayo sa co-op system, nagantay lang kayo ng spillover, kumikita na kayo sa matrix. Ang tanong, kailan nyo makikita yung 110,000 na yan? Hindi ko po masasagot yan kasi wala po tayong control kung doon sa event na yan. Alright? But, this is what I can show you. So long as you remain a member of Live Good, kahit 5 years, 10 years, 15 years pa yan, darating po yung time, mapupuno yung matrix nyo at aabot ng 110,000 yung inyong income. Matrix bonus, monthly matrix bonus, month after month, matatanggap nyo na yan. So it's worth it. Kasi 600 pesos lang naman a month. Or bayaran mo na yung isang taon, 6,000 pesos a year. Okay, in 5 years, magkano lang yon? 6 times 5, that's what? 30,000 pesos. Pero ikaw, kumikita ka ng Kumikita ka ng 110,000 or 10 years, pagpalagay mo ng 10 years, that's what? 60,000 pesos? Yet you're earning 110,000 monthly. So sulit. Sulit po na mag-continue ng payment mag-continue ng membership sa LiveGood. In fact, gaano kasulit? Ito po, nagsimula, affiliate member lang. Kung titignan nyo, hindi po talaga nag-refer, hindi nag-recruit, hindi nagbenta, pero kumita sa kanyang matrix. Magkano kinikita monthly? Yung isa, kumita ng 400. 1 month, month of June, kumita ng $464. Magkano yun in peso? 25,500 pesos. More than a minimum wage. In fact, parang ano na yan, supervisory salary na yan dito sa Philippines. July, kumita siya ng $517, which is 28,000 pesos. Alright, managers, ano na yan? Managers income na yan. September, tumalon na ng $575 or 31,000 pesos. Kung ganyan po yung magiging extra income nyo, simply by doing the slow way of LiveGood, gugustuhin nyo po ba o gugustuhin nyo ng todo? Talagang gugustuhin nyo ng todo. Ganyan lang po kasimple yung slow way. So, as I showed you kanina, dito po, pwedeng kumita kahit hindi marunong magbenta, kahit hindi marunong mag-recruit. But, if you want to control on how you earn and how fast you earn, you do the fast way. Kasi sa fast way po, kada galaw mo may bayad ka. Here, you can earn $25 for every person you successfully refer and become an affiliate marketer too. Kung dun sa slow way, medyo ang makukuha natin are members who are enjoying the savings as well as the products. Dito naman, ang hahanapin natin yung mga business partners natin. Affiliate marketers just like you. People who will pay 3,000 pesos and start doing the business. Alright? Eto ngayon, baka isipin nyo, di magre-recruit pala. O sige, padaliin natin. Di ba naengganyo kayo kasi nakita nyo sa LiveGood pwedeng kumita ng hindi marunong magbenta, hindi marunong mag-recruit, pero gusto kumita, pwede na sa LiveGood. At napakita ko sa inyo through the slow way, pwede naman talaga. Hindi ka marunong magbenta, hindi ka marunong mag-recruit, pwede kang kumita. So totoo po. So yun yung hanapin nyo. Mga taong hindi marunong magbenta, hindi marunong mag-recruit, pero gustong kumita. Ang dami po niyan. Ang dami niyan kasi mas marami yan dun sa mga magagaling gumawa ng pera. Ngayon, mas marami kang maiengganyo sumali sa'yo sa LiveGood. In fact, you can act sa dami ng kaibigan mo, hindi marunong magbenta, hindi marunong mag-recruit, definitely makakakuha ka ng lagpas 10 na sasali sa'yo. So, for example, purpose, nakakuha ka ng 10. Sabi doon, 50%, $25 mapupunta sa'yo. Kasi nag-affiliate member sila, di ba? They paid $49.95, 50% of that is $25. 10 sila, that's $250. That's 14,000 pesos. Right? Ngayon, yung 10 nakuha mo, ganun din. Ang dami rin niyang kilala na hindi marunong magbenta, hindi marunong mag-recruit, pero gustong kumita. So definitely, lagpas 10 din yun. Pero for example, purpose na lang, yung 10 nakuha mo, nakakuha ng tag 10. Lahat yung nakuha nila will fall on your level 2. Ang maganda sa LiveGood, hindi ka lang babayaran dun sa mga direct na napapasali mo dito sa LiveGood. Babayaran ka pa dun sa mga napapasali nung mga napasali mo o yung nasa second level mo. 10 sila, kumuha ng tag 10. That's 100. May $5 ka each. That's $500. That's 28,000 pesos. Alright? Same thing will happen dun sa 100. Definitely marami silang kilalang ganun at makakakuha sila ng 10. So kung yung 100 nakakuha ng tag 10, meron kang 1,000 sa level 3 mo. May kita ka pa rin, $2.50. That's $2,500 or 140,000 pesos. Ngayon, yung 1,000, ganun din. They would all have 10 people whom they can refer to LiveGood and become affiliate members too. So, madadagdagan na naman on your level 4, 10,000 people. Meron ka pa rin kita, $2.50. That's $25,000 or 1.4 million pesos. Ngayon, pag sinam up nyo po yan, that's a total of 1,582,000 or almost 1.6 million pesos just because you recruited 10 people. At hindi ka nahirapan kasi yung hinanap mo, ang dami. Hindi marunong magbenta, hindi marunong mag-recruit, pero gustong kumita. So, di ba? Tapos hindi pa matatapos yan kasi pwede kang kumita up to level 10 of this. Baka sabihin mo, baka hindi ko kaya yung 10. O gawin natin 5. Pag naging 5, lahat kumukuha ng tagli-5, meron kang 791,000 pesos. Di ba? Not bad. Gawin na nating 3. Sige, baka busy ka, may trabaho ka pa, talagang 3 lang ang nadadala mo. That's still a total of 474,600 pesos. Fast start commission simply because nagdala ka ng 3 tapos yung 3 nagdala rin ng tagta-3. Alright? Ito pa maganda. Ang maganda nito, lahat ng nasa power of 10 mo, meaning yung 10 na hindi marunong magbenta, hindi marunong mag-recruit. Right, wait. Yan. Lahat yan, yung 10 na nakakuha ng tagsa-10, na nakakuha ng tagsa-10, a total of 11,110 people, lahat po yan mapupunta din sa iyong 2x12 matrix. Meaning, mas mabilis mapupuno yung 2x12 matrix mo. Meaning, mas maaga mong matatanggap yung 110,000 pesos monthly income mo. O di ba ang ganda? Lahat ng pumapasok. Ayan. Yun. So, ganun po. Lahat ng pumapasok sa fast start ay papasok din sa 2x12 actually. 2x12 matrix mo. Yan po. Nagulo na ako. Yan. Ngayon, ganito po yan. Yung 10 nakuha nyo, ganun din ang mangyayari sa kanya. Magkakaroon din siya ng matrix kasi affiliate marketer siya. At mapupuno rin yung matrix niya. So darating yung time, talagang marireach niya na rin yung 110,000 matrix income niya being an affiliate member himself or herself. Ito maganda. You can earn 50% of the matrix bonus on all your direct referrals. Remember, dun sa example natin, may 10 direct ka. So example, if your referral earns a maximum of $2,047 or 110,000 pesos, the company will give you $1,023.50 or 55,000 pesos as yung tinatawag na generation bonus or yung 50% bonus na yan. 'Di ba? Magkano po 'yon? 10 sila eh. That's 550,000 pesos. Hindi na galing sa yan kasi galing na yan dun sa matrix income nila. Hindi marireceive nila ng buo yung kanilang matrix income. It's a bonus given to you simply because you are the one who introduced Live Good to them. O di ba? Ang ganda, 50% bonus. Yes, ang ganda talaga. Now, ang maganda niyan, even if hindi pa max out yung kanilang matrix income, nakakatanggap ka na rin. Kung 1,000 lang yung matrix income nila, may 500 ka. Kung 1,500, may 750 ka. Kung 800, may 400 ka. Basta kung magkano yung matrix income nila, 50% of that goes to you. Alright? Ano pa? So, ayan. Nabanggit ko kanina, lahat ng pumapasok doon sa power of 10 mo, mapupunta doon sa matrix income mo. Lahat yung 10 referrals mo, they would have their matrix income as well. So each of them can max out on their matrix income. At meron kang 50% commission doon sa matrix income nila. Ito maganda. Sa ganitong senaryo, diamond ka na. At dito sa Live Good, meron tinatawag na diamond bonus pool. Ano naman yon? As a diamond, you will receive diamond bonus pool monthly, 2% of the total sales sa product and membership worldwide ay paghahati-hatian ng lahat ng diamond. Para ka ng, may profit sharing ka na. So para ka ng isa sa may-ari ng owner. Kasi nakikihati ka na sa may-ari ng company. Kasi nakikihati ka na sa income ng company, ng buong company. From the sales, from the membership, from the affiliate, lahat po ng kinita worldwide. Kukurot ng 2%, tapos yung 2% paghahati-hatian nyo ng lahat ng diamond. And right now, the diamonds are receiving on the average $2,000 monthly. That's 116,000 pesos. So pag tinotal nyo po yan, meron kang 110 plus 550, that's 660 plus 100, that's 776,000 pesos monthly income. And not to mention yung 1.6 million mo na fast start commission when these people started enrolling in your team. O di ba napakaganda, napaka-lucrative ng income na binibigay ng LiveGood. Napaka-generous po ni LiveGood para sa ating mga affiliate members. Now, doon sa example natin, 10 lang yung nadala mo at yung 10 nakakuha ng tagsa 10. What if 30 yung nadala mo? What if 30 yung direct mo? Kinumpute na po namin, aabot po ng 1,719,480 pesos ang monthly income mo. What if 50? Si Coach Harold nga po, isang buwan, 50 yung na-refer. Right now, lagpas 80 na yung kanyang direct referral. Right? So pag napuno po yung matrix ng lahat ng 50 na kanyang na-refer, aabot po ng 2,865 at 2,865,800 pesos yung monthly 50% bonus pa lang niya. Eh meron pa siyang diamond bonus pool, meron pa siyang matrix income, meron pa siya, and soon tayo po magiging diamond. Kasi nga pag ginawa natin yung power of 10, in that scenario, diamond na tayo. Di ba ang ganda? Sino gusto maging diamond? Taas ang kamay. Yes! Siyempre, lahat tayo gusto natin maging diamond kasi merong extra income ang diamond. Yung tinatawag na diamond bonus pool. At tignan nyo naman, ang kita ng diamond dito. 7,496,000. That's $7,496 in 1 month. That's 419,000 pesos. Kalahating milyon po yan. 12,675. That's 709,000 pesos. Monthly income na po yan. 19,000. That's 1,077,000 pesos. Income for 1 month. Simply because you're a diamond. Simply because you did the fast way. Simply because marami kang na-refer dito sa LiveGood. At sino yung mga na-refer mo, ang dali po nilang hanapin. Mga hindi marunong magbenta, hindi marunong mag-recruit, pero gustong kumita. Ganyan po. Ganyan po kaganda ang LiveGood. So alam nyo na kung bakit ko sinabing kakaiba ang mai-experience nyo ngayon. Now, kung ikaw, ano ang gusto mo? Fast way, slow way, or both? Here's the thing. Pag ginawa mo yung fast way, kung gagawin mo ang fast way, lahat ng ito ay kikitain mo. Unang-una, may fast start commission kang 1.6 million. Pangalawa, meron kang 110,000 na monthly matrix commission. Plus, since 10 yung direct mo, meron kang 550,000 yung 50% bonus. Plus, since diamond ka na, may 116,000 pesos monthly diamond bonus pool ka. Ganyan po kaganda ang gumagawa ng Fastway. Ang maganda nito, pwede nyong pagsabayin yan. Kasi sa Fastway, ang hinahanap nyo, affiliates who will become your business partner and do the business with you. Sa Slowway naman, mga members who would enjoy the savings as well as get healthy with the highest quality health products. Right? So, pwede po nating pagsabayin yan. At pag pinagsabay natin, lalo tayong lalaki. Wag na wag lang po natin kakalimutan ang ating membership na i-update. Kasi po ganito yan. Nakikita nyo po yung mga membership club na companies dyan. Lahat ng subscription companies, membership club, na karaniwang kasama sa lifestyle natin as monthly dues na wala namang binibigay na income sa atin, pero patuloy tayong nagbabayad just to enjoy their service. Pero ito maganda sa LiveGood. Sa LiveGood po, may products na, may services na, may income pa. Diyan sa ibang companies na yan, Netflix, Disney, Fitness Plus, Meralco, Maynilad, products and services lang po ino-offer nila. Pagdating sa kita, kahit ilang tao ang ma-refer mo sa kanila, hindi po kayo makakatanggap dyan ni Singkong Duleng. Only Live Good is a membership club that pays. Kaya panatiliin po natin maging member ng Live Good because first and foremost, member po tayo ng Live Good. Secondary lang po yung pagiging affiliate natin. Secondary lang yung pagiging yung business side nito. So para manatili ka sa matrix position at magkaroon ka ng pag-asa sa spillover at lahat ng mga bonus doing the fast way and the slow way, you must keep your monthly membership or yearly membership. Do not skip your membership. Make sure na always updated po yan. At huwag nyo na pong ugaliin na every last day of the month kayo magbayad. First day of the month pa lang, i-cover nyo na para safe kayo sa matrix position nyo. Ngayon, bakit mahalaga na maaga kang mag-join sa Live Good? Dahil posible po ang spillover dito sa atin. Lalong-lalo na ngayon. Spillover ng mga production ng mga taong nasa itaas mo. Lalong-lalo na po ngayon kasi lahat ng affiliate ngayon ay nag-excited. Talagang on fire. On fire to do the business. Why? Because of this system that we are doing right now. Ito po, napakagandang sistema. May social media posting, Live Good Co-op, Fastway. Lahat po yan ginagawa ng lahat ng members ngayon because we are planning to become number one again. The Philippines to become number one again. And ito po, within the year talagang ang plano natin is maraming maging diamond sa ating mga members. Alright? So simple lang po, ano ba gusto mo? Maging member ka lang for $9.95. Ang i-enjoy mo lang would be the discount, the savings as well as the free products. Diba? Or actually if you're into the products, might as well mag-affiliate ka na. Bakit? Kasi one time lang naman yung $40 eh. Imagine for 3,000 pesos meron kang global business. Anyway, monthly mo rin naman babayaran yung membership fee kasi tuloy-tuloy ka rin bibili ng mga products. But if you really want a very good business, do Live Good seriously. Mag-join ka na ngayon habang mainit lahat. That's the reason na andito ka at napapakinggan mo itong business presentation na to because this is a calling for you. A calling for you to finally make a decision to change your life for the better. We have done it and somehow our lives have changed a lot for the better and I'm sure that when you do that decision as well and do Live Good ng tuloy-tuloy, malaki rin ang magbabago sa buhay nyo. Tapos na po ako, but stay tuned kasi meron pa pong magsasalita. Very powerful testimonies. I-share sa inyo ang buhay niya at kung paano na bago ng Live Good ang kanyang buhay. So,